What did you find most useful about the materials that are available from us?
Yeah, I think predominantly it was the live sessions, because of course when you watch someone, or when I participated in one of the legal theaters, it was helpful to actually put myself in that position where I'm actually thinking, oh, I'm in the exam. This is how I should behave. This is what I should say. This is what I should have everything prepared for. And in terms of the legal theater, I believe it was one of the main things that really helped me gain my confidence, especially for the oral mocks, which I participated in as well. It really calmed my nerves, and by the time I sat the actual exams, it was something I was more confident in, and I think that was a really big part of it, especially when you prepare for it mentally. It can be quite nerve-wracking, and all the advice and all the feedback I received, I think it was very, very important for me, knowing where my weaknesses were, especially, and also what my strengths were. So it helped me prioritize what I was really lacking in my preparation.